All right, welcome back to this week's episode of Friday Fabric Finds for the week of August 30th, 2024. My name is Mason. I am the inventory specialist.
And I'm Clint. I'm kit production manager.
And what this series is, we are going to go through the newsletter with y'all and just see what we have for this week.
All right, the first thing we're going to talk about is the Chalkboard Christmas Fat Quarter Bundle featuring Winterleaf from Moda. This bundle features patterns of florals, birds, berries, ribbon stripes, and dots in colors of crimson, green, and black. Come chalk up some festive fun with Chalkboard Christmas.
The next collection we have for y'all is from Northcott called All That Glitters. Also, this does contain glitter in the fabric. We have the full collection of yardage, 24-inch panels, and the Starry Sky kits. There's patterns of a country church, trees, and snowflakes, and the colors are shades of blue along with snow. So make sure to add a little sparkle to your holiday season with All the Glitters from Northcott.
All right, the next collection we want to talk about is American Pride from Studio E. For this collection, we have the full collection of yardage as well as 24-inch block panels, 24-inch rooster panels, 36-inch placemat panels, and the Morning Call Table Runner Kit. This collection comes in patterns of roosters, paisleys, tiles, swirl vines, and stripes. This collection features colors of red, cream, and blue, very patriotic colors, so come celebrate our nation's heritage with American Pride.
Next, we have a collection from Wilmington, which is Coffee Life. So for all y'all's coffee lovers, this is y'all's collection right here. We have a full collection of yardage, 24-inch placement panels, 30-inch apron panels, 5-inch squares, plus the little X's and O's quilt kit. The patterns are some coffee art, cups, beans, coffee phrases, stripes, and dots in colors of latte, gray, black, and white. So make sure to espresso yourself with Coffee Life from Wilmington.
Next, we want to talk about a new collection we have, Moose Lodge from Henry Glass. For this collection, we've got the full collection of yardage, 24-inch panels, and fat quarter bundles. This collection is patterns of moose, foxes, raccoons, deer, birds, feathers, branches, pine cones, wood textures, and plaid. So very foresty nature prints. You're looking at colors of red, green, cream, brown, black, and beige with this one. So get into the great outdoors with Moose Lodge.
Next, we have a quilt kit that's on sale. It is the Under the Stars quilt kit. Original price of it is $150.96, but it is currently on sale for $79.96. So big old sale on that one. So make sure to camp in style with our Under the Stars quilt kit.
All right, so now we want to talk about Copper Mountain Batiks from Wilmington. This collection, we've got the full yardage as well as fat quarter bundles, 10-inch squares, 5-inch squares, 2.5-inch strips, plus the Copper Mountain quilt kits. For this one, you've got patterns like leaves, petals, paisleys, cheetah prints, daisies, and dots in colors of cream, blue, green, orange, brown, tan, and red. So if any of that sounds interesting, come on over and bring your projects to life with Copper Mountain Batiks.
Next, we have a pretty fall autumn-esque collection for y'all, which is Denim Daisies from Moda. We have the full collection of yardage for that. We have the cheater panels plus the chambray wovens. We also have the fat quarter bundles, layer cakes, charm packs, mini charm packs, jelly rolls, and the bag lady tote kits. There are patterns of florals, paisleys, and dots. The colors are blue, orange, and cream. So get a genius upgrade with Denim and Daisies. Get it? Genius.
And as always, we just want to remind everyone of our monthly bargains. This August, we've got new items added every day, so make sure you get on there and check as often as you can. And there you got remnants, kits, notions. You really never know what's going to be there, so come on over and check it out.
Next, we have the comment of the week, which is this is where we pull a comment from last week's episode to read on this week's show. That also can be pulled from YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, or TikTok. This week, we have Barbara on YouTube saying, first time watching, great video, quick and to the point. Loved seeing the variety of fabric lines. Thank you for doing this extra for your customers. Barbara, we just want to say, of course, it is our pleasure to do this for y'all. We love bringing it to y'all, bringing y'all new stuff every single week. Thank you for being a first time watcher. We love that we have new people watching. We always try to be quick and to the point and just let y'all know what we have going around here.
All right, that's going to do it for us this week at Fort Worth Fabric Studio. We want to thank you for watching. If you enjoyed, please leave a like, subscribe, and ring that bell icon so you receive all the notifications. Leave a comment. Your comment might be featured on Comment of the Week. You never know. You can follow us on social media. All of our links are in the description. We'll see you next week.